some of the best ribs you've ever made.
So this video is about how I make the best ribs I ever made for my son on my new offset, 250 gallon. Check this video out. Not too much talking. I'm going to add all the details of what I did down in the description, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Check this whole thing out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow for more y'all. Sunday smokes on the caveman cookers offset. What do you know? Clean smoke, baby. We're just a little bit over 250, closer to 275 on the firebox side. In the middle, you know it, right there. It's time to add a wood split. Now this is insulated, so it doesn't get as hot as your traditional firebox, but I'm putting it on there because it's just a little warm, so it's fine. I'm gonna add 2 splits. If you see my fire, it's really small right now. So we have one that's there, running it like that. So because my wood is warm, it catches on fire right away. So right now we're gonna shut it back down. This is how open I have it. A little bit of airflow in. And you guys know we're still running clean smoke. All right, we don't run dirty smoke no matter what pit, no matter what day. Feel me? We got the ribs in here. It's been 2 hours. Just checking on these babies. Tropical zinger. But hey, we got snacks ready, so I'm gonna pull these off so we can eat. Woo. Go. Love that flavor. Bottle.
should I just stay here? Or?
Mm-hmm. Mm.